BA with Bay Area Derby, and I'm going to show you how I lace my AR2 boot for Derby. So the way I start is I like to have one lace that's continuously on the bottom of the lacing and then another lace that's continuously on the top. So what I like to do is lace one lace all the way up first. So I do that by skipping eyelets to make sure that I leave room for the other lace. I also like to use these little guys here so that I can keep my tongue in place. So I do the opposite of the side that I'm doing with one side, and then I'll use the other lace to get this side. But I'll follow my every other eyelet all the way up. For my derby boots, I like my ankles to be able to move around a tiny bit in there, but I also still like my heel lock. So I'm gonna skip this little outside eyelet and I'm gonna go straight to this one. But in order to keep my heel in my boot, I'll end up using this little back loop. So I'm doing my second lace now. I lace this one all the way up. So this lace is now on the very top all the way up. And I'm gonna use this little loop here to keep the tongue in place. And then same on the inside, I'm gonna skip this very bottom eyelet. And then I snug, and I think having that continuous lace on the top and on the bottom can get me a little bit of a snugger fit. And so once I've done this, I like to be able to have a little movement here in my ankle, but I still want my skates to be solidly on my foot. So I will tie around, and then I'm gonna come around this back stay. And I'm gonna use this little loop here. And I'm gonna cross through, and I'm gonna give it a nice snug pull, and then I finish tying on the front. So my skates are on, they're really snug, but I also have a little bit of movement in my ankle.